Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Google Messages not sending. Experiencing issues with sending messages in Google Messages can be frustrating, trust me. So whether it is SMS, MMS, or RCS messages, here's how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. The first step is to check your internet network connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. For RCS messages, a stable internet connection is essential. For airplane mode, verify that airplane mode is turned off. For signal strength, check that you have adequate cellular signal strength. Step 2, update the Google Messages app. Open Google Play Store, search for Google Messages, and update. If an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. Step 3, set Google Messages as the default messaging app. Open your device's settings, tap on Apps and Notifications, select Default Apps and then SMS app. Set Google Messages as your default messaging app. Step 4, verify SIM card and carrier support. Ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. Confirm that the carrier supports SMS, MMS, and RCS messaging. Check that your mobile plan is active and has sufficient balance or credit. Step 5, enable RCS chat features. To tap on a profile picture or initial, select Messages settings. In Google Messages, once you do that, select Messages settings, then tap on RCS chats and ensure it is toggled on. So wait for the status to show connected. If it doesn't, try toggling RCS off and on again. Step 6, clear cache and data. So go to your device's settings, tap on Apps and select Messages, tap on Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache, tap Clear Storage. But if you tap Clear Storage, this will delete app data. Ensure messages are backed up. Step 7, restart your device. Hold down the power button and select Restart. After restarting, try sending the message again. Step 8, reset network settings. Navigate to your device's settings, tap on System, and then Reset Options. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. Step 9, contact your carrier. Reach out to your mobile carrier's customer support. Inform them about the issue and the troubleshooting step you have already taken. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.